Hello, hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. I just thought I'd make a quick video of a doubled-in installation we've done on this Vauxhall Corsa 2013. So what we've done is, this is the original stereo that was fitted in there, which is factory, and we've changed that over to a nice doubled-in Sony 6.8-inch screen. So the bezel's been changed around here as well, and the unit sits really nice there. The unit itself is a Mechler system. It's full touchscreen, and basically it's got, as standard, it's got USB, Bluetooth streaming, and your phone calls as well. And you've got obviously your AUX just there as well, and it's also got Apple CarPlay. Got a little indication. I'll go through the brief demo with you. We get a lot of people asking whether you retain the steering wheel controls, and yeah, you do. We get the necessary parts. So if I just turn it up, you can see it turning up and turning down. Your phone function button, pick up call, drop up call, also works. Nothing's really distracted on the functionality wise of the car. So let me just I've got my iPhone just here, and I've got it connected to the iPhone cable that's provided. Let's just pop that in. So that's now gone in. It will also charge your phone, which is really good. So if you're on a long journey, it does not drain your battery. So there we go. There's your Apple CarPlay now. Very smooth operating system. It's pretty much the same as how you're scrolling on your iPhone, and you can have loads of apps. Like I've got Spotify on my phone. You can have Waze going as well. Good. So it's really good. So really good upgrade, to be honest. And also, if you decide to change the vehicle in a good few years, then we can, if you bring the original back to us, we can change it back to how it was prior to us doing an installation, which means you can move the new stereo system to another vehicle. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.